Hi, to customize lock screen on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, just open Settings. Here scroll down to find this tab Wallpaper and Personalization, and after that choose Lock Style. And now first thing we can see is many options for our lock screen wallpaper. So you can swipe left and right, swipe up and down to check all of them. Then, if you picked one, you'll see that you got this frame, white frame around your wallpapers. You select it, and now you can tap this button Customize, and after that you can also tap on Time and choose Font and switch to different font style first, for example. So there are many options. And after that, you can also change your font color and also divider color. So you can enable multi-color digits by tapping on the switcher. And also you can choose different color for the digits. After that, you can also change divider. For example, I can make it white, or I can leave this green option or maybe make it blue. And then when you're satisfied with the changes, you can tap down button. Now after that, you can also pinch to crop like that. And of course, you can add some filters. For example, this one or this, and you can make it matte, just like that. Now let me disable matte. And next thing you can do here is you can set your own photo as your wallpaper. For that, tap on wallpaper, go in local photos and simply pick any photo from your gallery and set it as your wallpaper. Now if you're satisfied with the changes, you can just tap apply and this would be applied as your lock screen. So let's check this. And yep, here it is. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.